Hi everybody, for today's story I brought along 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree. It's by Eileen Crislow. Let's count the monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys, and who's this in the corner? A crocodile. Let's see what happens. 5 little monkeys and their mama head down to the river for a picnic supper. Mama spreads out a blanket and settles down for a snooze. That's a way to say she's taking a nap. We can all pretend to. While 5 little monkeys climb a tree to watch Mr. Crocodile. They go up, 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 up. 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Uh-oh. Oh no! Where is she? 4 little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Oh no! Where is he? How many monkeys are left? 1, 2, 3. 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Oh no! Where is he? There's a big splash. I wonder what happened. 2 little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Oh no! Where is she? How many monkeys are left? 1 little monkey. Now there's only 1 little monkey sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Oh no! There are no little monkeys sitting in the tree. But wait! Look! What do you see? I wonder if those are the monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys sitting in the tree. Their mama hugs them. Their mama scolds them. Never tease a crocodile. It's not nice and it's dangerous. Then the 5 little monkeys and their mama eat a delicious picnic supper. Mm-mm. And they do not tease Mr. Crocodile again. In fact, look, they even brought him some supper. The end. Thank you for reading with me. I'll see you guys later. Bye.